Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 2nd June 2025. Economic Outlook. Repo rate cut likely. RBI may slash repo rate by 25 bps to 5.75% this week. GDP grows 7.4%. India's Q4 FY25 GDP grows 7.4%, beating RBI's 7.2% estimate. GST collection jumps. May GST net revenue rose 20.4% YoY to 1.73 trillion rupee overall. Legal developments. ED charge sheet quashed. Supreme Court nullifies ED charge sheet in Rathi Steel coal case. Hasina faces trial. Bangladesh charges ousted PM Hasina with 2024 student crackdown crimes. Banking and finance. Monetary easing continues. MPC expected to retain easing stance amid soft inflation and tariffs. RBI to cut inflation view. FY26 inflation may drop to 3.5% from earlier 4% forecast. Dollar under pressure. BOFE warns continued dollar weakness due to global risk and flows. MSME credit support rises. Lending and government schemes boost MSME recovery, but structural gaps remain. UPI hits record to 5T. UPI transaction value hits all-time high of 25 trillion rupees in May. Corporate finance. Tata pumps 30,000 rupee CR. Tata Sons injects 30,000 crore rupees into digital, defense, and electronics ventures. Adani to raise 4,300 crore rupees. Adani Energy plans 4,300 crore rupees equity raise via QIP and others. Sun Pharma expands. Sun Pharma will invest $100 million in FY26 for specialty expansion. Niva Bupa stake sale. True North, CEO to divest 1,082 crore rupees Niva Bupa stake tomorrow. Apollo Mills sale. Apollo likely to divest maternity care unit Achal amid restructuring efforts. Xander plans exit. Xander Group to sell 3.5 million SQFT warehousing assets worth 2,000 crore rupees. International affairs. Ukraine-Russia escalates. Massive drone attacks escalate tensions before peace talks in Ukraine conflict. India-Algeria Pact. India, Algeria strengthen counter-terror cooperation against Pakistan-backed radical groups. Tax and compliances. GST import spike. GST from imports rises 25.2% YoY to 0.51 trillion rupees in May. Digital law deferred. Government delays digital competition law, prioritizes IBC and Companies Act amendments. Investments and finance. Singapore tops FDI. Singapore remains top FDI source, investing $15 billion in India during FY25. Reliance aims defense boost. Reliance Infra targets 3,000 crore rupees in defense exports by FY27 end. IKEA ups India sourcing. IKEA raises local sourcing to 50% and boosts 3,500 crore rupees investment. Biogas pact signed. IOCL and Biogas Association signed pact to boost hydrogen and bioenergy sectors. ADB pledges $10 billion. ADB commits $10 billion for India's urban infrastructure upgrades over 5 years. Financial markets. Sensex slips 0.3%. Sensex ends week at 81,451, falling 0.3% on profit booking pressure. Nifty drops 0.4%. Nifty closed at 24,751, declining 0.4% amid global and domestic uncertainty. Nasdaq climbs 2%. Nasdaq gains 2% weekly despite volatility in broader US tech sector. DAX gains 1.6%. Germany's DAX index up 1.6%, showing 32.1% year-to-date gain in USD. Nikkei rallies 2.2%. Japan's Nikkei rose 2.2% weekly, hitting 37,965 on tech stock strength.